Hey guys, so a trader recently got in touch with me. He was looking for a way to fetch market data, that is certain price, volume and volatility metrics for watchlist from TWS into Excel so that he could do further analysis for his trading in the Excel itself. So I helped him build an Excel tool, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So this is the Excel tool. As you can see, there are four sections in this tool. The first section is the contract details section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract for which we want to pull the market data. The next three sections are the volumetric section, price metric section, and the volatility metric section. In these sections, Excel will automatically fetch the market data from TWS. So in the volumetric section, we have volume, average volume, relative volume, dollar volume, volume per minute, 3-minute volume, 5-minute volume, 10-minute volume, and the number of shortable shares. Then in the price metric section, we have last price, high, low, close, and the percentage change. And then finally, in the last section, we have implied volatility and the historical volatility. So let's click on this refresh TWS data button. And as soon as we do that, this Excel starts fetching the data. And this shortable column is blank as we currently don't have this data available for the Indian market. So let's scroll down below, and we will see that this Excel has fetched the data for all the 200 or so stocks, and we can even have a larger watch list than this. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.